Hello, amigos. Beautiful Monday over, and now today is Tuesday, and we are in a process of a week. It's always great to catch up, you all. So, let's start the show today. Some tips about life and some tips about positivity, what is positivity, and how you can be a positive person. Let us discuss some things about it. So here we go. First thing to be positive person is to observe yourself. So what I mean by observe yourself, observation is not just seeing. Observation is seeing and understanding things. The capability of understanding things. Simple is like if you have seeing ice cream, don't just you will just buy and eat of the ice cream. If when you were in childhood, I'll tell you like you'll be curious, right? How this has happened, how that has happened. You will have so many questions. In childhood, nobody will do anything for you. Like if you ask, nobody will tell you like why you're asking silly question. You don't know what is this, what is that. So that is beautiful. How I will tell you, because you will observe things, you will learn things. The same way goes on till you become an old man or this throughout life. This is the process. So always do silent observation. Observation is the first step to be successful in life. Very much important to be a positive person. Second thing, remove negative thoughts. So how can you remove negative thoughts? It's impossible, right? Human beings, we always think, right? So thinking is a part of internal life. Matlab, everyone will think. Without thinking, even if you're sleeping, you'll be thinking something. That is only called a dream. If you're waken up, if you're thinking, they'll call you absent-minded. Even if you're doing work, you want to be successful. So there are some tips you have to go on to remove negative thoughts is gelling with good friends, having around positive people, listening to positive content, and especially seeing my channel in YouTube, and many more people who are doing so much hard work to keep you entertain you. Some comedy, some music, some spirituality. All these things keep on motivating and diverting you. Diversion in the sense from that stupid thinking or negative thinking to a good thinking and make you put it some value to your life. That is the main intention what they are striving for. All the YouTubers and all the content creators, they are doing a great job. Not only them, everybody. So what you can do is you have to always have that thing of removing things. Simple thing, meditation, then doing some spiritual practices if you are interested, then developing some hobbies. So these are kind of good steps. Third thing is you need to get over and try doing things consistently to be a positive person. Now what is this consistency? Consistency we talk about in sports. We talk about we expect people to perform well. Messi does well, Ronaldo does well, Virat Kohli does well, Tendulkar does well, then everyone, Roger Federer does well. They all do well. What is consistency is like have to keep a constant belief system. Tomorrow I will do this, today I am doing this, I will do this, I will do this, I will do this. No matter, don't give anything to the people who any bitching is there or any negative thoughts are there. They people trying to do something and tell you down or pull you down. This and all, don't give any importance. They do that one. Everybody, every personality, every content creator, including me, we do that only. To entertain you, to give the best, to be the best that day. And again it starts. Wake up with a motive and just relax at the end of the night. Simple technique to be happy. Then always have this object of analyzing things. Last topic is what is analysis? Analysis is when you are doing a work, just think about what I have done, what I could have done better, and how satisfactory I am doing this work. Satisfaction in the sense whatever work you're doing, you have to learn something from it. You have to have something more, want to do something more, and that happiness when you do extremely well and also guide some other people who are going through this phase. Main thing is gelling with positivity and also learning and exploring. An open mind is important to be a positive person. Simple. So these are some tips what I know. Hope you all enjoyed this. Let us meet again very soon and always available for you on YouTube. Thank you so much. Have a great week. Stay safe. Stay happy.